Hi, savvy investors! Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your real estate investments? Today, we're diving into the world of DSCR loans, your ticket to maximizing profits with ease. DSCR stands for Debt Service Coverage Ratio. These loans focus on the income generated by the property itself, rather than your personal income. This means you can qualify based on the property's cash flow, making it perfect for investors looking to expand their portfolios without the hassle of traditional income verification. Why choose DSCR loans? With DSCR loans, you enjoy streamlined documentation, no personal income verification, and the freedom to finance multiple properties. It's a game changer for those looking to grow their real estate empire. Want to learn more? Request a comprehensive yet concise video about DSCR loans using the form below or via email. Plus, you can reserve a confidential and non-obligational Zoom meeting through the link provided. Thanks for watching!